night and I'm home alone, watching Ted and listening to Lucy cry, 'cause there's birdies on my head. And I'm watching Ted with Lucy, Lucy, Lou. Lucy, come on. Stop. I love Ted and birds. Hi, birdies. Yeah. Come on. Ow. Hey. What? Hi, hon. Hi, hon. Noises? Yeah. Oh, dark circles under my eyes. That must be the grease. Ow! Your whistling hurts my ears. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I do love Skylar. He's right here. Hi, Skylar. What's your toy? Ow! Ow! Hi, hon. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on. Are you jealous of the birdies? Lucy. First the birdies whistle, then you. Ugh. Not by my ears. That's forbidden. Quiet, Lucy. Shh, quiet. Love you. No, don't chew on that. That's enough. No chewing. Ah! That hurts. Ow. That hurts. Oh!
And we ran up to it and we tried to give it CPR and it came back to life. John, we could do that again. Ted, we crossed his rib cage and blew his lungs trying to get CPR.
Nope. No, because that like really hurts. No. Oh, come on.